Okay, yo, what it be? It's your boy Second Chance, back at it again with another video. I ain't done no video like this in a long time, many years. Let me throw in the clip right here to show it. I'm about to make a quick system rundown video. Okay, let me bring it back. So I'm sweaty as hell, just left the gym like always. Today was my cardio day, and it was let's just say I had to push through it, you know. Had to use that pre-workout to get it in and let the weights be my friend. But all right, so I've been trying to make this video for like 2 weeks now, but today is the day I'm just gonna do it. So recently, I haven't had a system in probably like 5 years, ever since I had this car. Okay, so I wanted to put in something small because I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this car. But yeah, I wanted to spend under $200, and I pretty much did just that. I'm gonna put the numbers up on the side of the screen, but I think it was like 220, something like that, because I already had a sub. But yeah, I was skeptical as hell about buying this amp at first because I haven't heard nothing about it. But the dude that worked at the audio store talked me into it. I told him my background, and he seemed like he wouldn't bullshit me. So I bought it, and he told me that if I didn't like it within like a month, I can bring it back, and I already had it for over a month. So now I can vouch for it. But okay, let's hop right into it. Okay, so this is the Diablo DB 2200.1. But like I said, I didn't like these terminals, and if y'all can't tell, it's like small as hell. So I thought it really wasn't gonna be about shit. But hold on 1 second. This is the sub that I already had. It's a Planet Audio Big Bang, 1200 watts. I think I want to say 600 watts RMS, but 1200 watts peak. But I had this for like 7 years, and when I tell you it's still bang, and it ain't no thing. All right, let's get back to the test. Oh, and also, I'm not gonna be able to play the music that I really want to play because the last video I did hella numbers and views, and I'm supposed to get paid from that, but they copyrighted my ass. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to play the music I want to, but yeah, you'll see that it bumped, and it's no games being played. Hey, while I was recording this video, I forgot to say 2 things. One thing is I'm running this at 4 ohms, so it's getting about shit, I forgot it. I put it on the screen. I think it's getting about 700 watts. I don't even know if it's real watts or not, but probably not. But on the back end, like I said, don't let these hoes be your friend. All right, I'm out.